breakfast. I don't know what we're doing today. Let's see you guys making my breakfast. Oh wow. I see that maker. Oh nice.
Oh, I see. Make sure you take pictures of it. See how the houses are in the mountain?
Yeah. Alright guys, so we're about to see the dolphins because I'm gonna ride a dolphin I think on Tuesday. I'm not too sure, but yeah, he's gonna light it. I'm about to ride the dolphins on Tuesday, so y'all. Alright guys, I'm gonna tour of our hotel room because it's super nice. Look at this. Look, we at the view of the beach. This is where we was at. That's the end of the resort. And then over there, if you guys, I don't know, it's the real Jamaica. And the room is in there because it connects. Ooh, this is so cool. Oh my god. This is a rooftop. This is nice. Oh, this is so big. I like this. This is super huge. Oh. Jacuzzi. Look at this room. This is huge. Wait, I can't even see my face. Okay, I can see my face, but this is what I'm wearing right now. H&M. Somebody sent me those sides. You can see the good too. Now this is really nice. Okay. Cute. This is very cool. Where? Where is it? Jacuzzi? The hot one. Oh, I'm going to the hot one. I'm going in the hot, in the jacuzzi because it's hotter. I'm trying to get in the floaty, but I don't know how to work this. Yes. Like, how do you do it? You just lay in there? Alright guys, so I'm in the pool. And I feel warm now. It's not cold anymore. We're right in jacuzzi, so I'm just gonna sit right now because I don't like that.
30 hertz straight up.
Alright guys, so I just got out the pool. Later on we're going to Benihana's. It's actually called Momo, but we're going to Benihana's. So yeah, I'm just gonna relax until we're about to go. Taking a break from the pool. So I'm super excited because you're gonna get to dress up and take some cute pictures. I'm gonna take pictures all day though, but I get pictures. There's a whole trip. I'm gonna slay. Okay. See y'all when I'm getting ready. Probably I'm gonna show you guys me getting ready. Put my makeup on, my outfit. What is us? This and all that. Makeup on, getting ready, and all that. Okay. So yeah. Hey pretties, welcome back to my channel. Today's video, I'm gonna be showing you guys like a get ready with me type of thing because you guys asked for get ready with me while I'm in Jamaica. Hold on, let me set y'all up because agree. Alright guys, I'm about to get in the shower. I'm gonna start the shower up. I want to see my outfit because I already got that put together. I'm trying to put this on right, but it can't even fit my big head. So anyways, I'm about to get in this nice shower. So let's just get ready because you're about to slay. Alright guys, I just got the shower, so I'm gonna do my hair first. You already know I do my hair first all the time. I went to the pool, so it's like wet, so I'm a little dry and stuff. They gave us this hotel. Hold on, there's so much going on, like oh, all right. So the whole time they gave us freaking, I think they're sponsored by Chi. That's what it is. Because they gave us like a lot of like Chi things. This is for your hair. I'm gonna use this to protect my hair from the heat. They gave us flat iron. Even though I already have one, obviously I bought one because you know I was not playing, but they gave me one. So, and their flat irons are good, so I'm gonna use theirs. Ooh, theirs is different. I didn't even know this. Where's it gonna go? This goes right here or something? Alright guys, so I got room service. Well, somebody's coming upstairs because they don't have an outlet. It is in why would you not, but okay. I don't know if it's just me guys, I feel like I'm getting mad pale. Well, I was, but obviously after like the whole time I be here, I'm gonna be mad black, but yeah, I can just. Alright guys, so I'm laying down. Let me do something. Alright, I want to get ready, which I don't need an hour because I could do makeup and I'm done. So I know what I'm wearing. But you know when you're wearing, everything is so much easier. Yay! I don't even want to shoot. Guys, they just now giving me this. I got I called like 30 minutes ago. I'm finally gonna use the supposed to use it yesterday. I didn't even use it. So I'm gonna use my Too Faced Born This Way concealer in the shade Butterscotch. Hopefully this is my shade because this is like the travel size, so they really don't have as many shades as they should. Oh, it is. Thank the Lord.
What's wrong with me?
Never before I let go. Oh, it's my part. Pull up to Coachella. I got the songs with it. I got the squad with me. Dancing like chinchillas. Ooh, this concealer is so good. All over this robe. Like I can't see it, but I did. Oh, English. shoes. I have more, but those are like, yeah. I'm gonna be wearing those, obviously. I don't know what's on my leg, but whatever. I'm gonna get these to wear because my dress is big. But I have two dresses. I'm gonna show you guys the dresses to me look better with the shoes on. Well, it's gonna be too late, but I get the dress.
What's wrong with me?
You're gonna do her. This is dress number 2.
Let's get this going. Yay!
Alright guys, y'all can see me better this way. My dress, I think, is from African Mall, Lusana. I really don't remember. They sent me this a while back, one of them. These are some G swooshes. I got them from POSHMARK, and then my bag is from Forever 21. If it was reflective too, that would have been dope, but it's not. So, yeah. Period. Alright guys, so I'm back at the hotel room and everything. I'm gonna just tell you guys how this night went because it really did not go as planned. So when we got to I keep on saying Benny House because my mom kept saying it, but oh my gosh, she's falling. When we got to Momo's or Mumu, whatever they want to call it, the guy was super boring. That's why I was on my phone most of the time, and I'm never on my phone because I was super excited about that place. But I'm not even gonna hold you guys, he was super boring. Like literally, it was like 2 other like shows going on around us, and like they was loud, making jokes, and the jokes that he had was so corny. It was like, what has 5 wings, could drive but can't see, whatever the joke was. And I was just like it was like some kids that knew it and I didn't. I was just like, are you trying to be funny? Because it's not working for me. When I'm not interested, I be on my phone a lot. And for me to be on my phone all the time, even I knew myself, like I should get off my phone, but I was like, I'm not even interested in this. So I really don't care. I just want my food. He wasn't even talking. People that usually do this be talking like, all right guys, let's sing a song together, 1 2 3, you know. But he was just like saying nothing, and it was just so annoying. And then he said a racist joke about some white people, and it was white people sitting at our table. So I was just like embarrassed for him, and I didn't even want to look at the white people because I'm just like, and he was talking to me about the joke. So when I heard it, I was like confused. At first I didn't really hear him. I was like, what? Then he said it again. So for him to even say it again was just like, okay, now you're dragging it, you're bugging. Then he was so quiet and stuff. My mom complained about it, this, that, and third. I guess he heard, like, or somebody told him. He came back and told us the reason why he was so quiet, didn't do nothing, because he has a bad cold. So you're cooking us this food with no gloves on and you have a cold. Okay. But anyway, besides the point, So hopefully I don't get sick later on today or the next day, because he supposedly has a cold. And he said he didn't say that, but we heard him say it. But it's whatever. But you guys, that's just a little story time real quick, because that was just really bad. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more videos of your girl Icy, and I'm gonna see you guys in my next video. Bye, pretties.